Ito, pag-usapan natin yung hot and daring na pag-post mo sa isang men's magazine. Di ba maraming beses ka nang siguro inalok nun, ano? At ba't ka nakumbinse ng ngayong panahong ito?
It was just part of the promotion for a TV show that I was doing on another network.
Oh.
I had my reservations at first, pero when they sat me down and gave me the different layouts, I said, I like it to look like this, and that was it.
So, nung lumabas na yung ano na yan, tinignan mo, anong reaction mo? Galing?
I had seen the photographs naman before the magazine had come out. They had presented the layout to me, and actually the draft, and everything that's in the magazine I had approved. I do want to say that the people who did come to the autograph signing, we were not able to accommodate
Lahat, no?
everyone who came. So I have an announcement, exclusive announcement here on Tonight with Arnold Clavio. I'm going to be tweeting and Instagramming tonight where they can send their magazines and then I will autograph them. So you send them, it has to be a self-stamped, addressed envelope package so that it can be mailed
Pag
back
dumating
to them.
sa'yo, pipirmahan mo na.
Yes.
Galing ah. Okay, pero anong feeling? Anong feeling after all these years, kayang pang makipagsabayan sa mga bata na sexy rin sa mga ganitong uri ng pictorials?
For me, I just look at it as I'd like to serve as an inspiration to women to just take care of themselves, stay fit. You know, your body is your temple, and just take care of yourself so you can age gracefully.
Oh, age is just number, di ba? Sabi nga nila.